This is the Learning Resources Play Money. We just got this today because we have a cash register, a little toy cash register, also from Learning Resources, and actually the money has gone missing because it gets misplaced and all that stuff with kids. So I'm pretty sure I've thrown away all the money because it's just when I find it in random places, I throw it away. But very excited about this. This is hopefully not gonna get thrown away. I do need to find a good system to keep this so it doesn't just end up all over the house. But here is how it comes. It comes with all the coins, which I'm very excited about, and the bills. I'm gonna open up the bills and show you kind of the texture and see how they look and see how they feel, and then I can show you the specific bills as well. I got the money, I got the bills. So the coins themselves, let me just show you, they actually look really good. So they look pretty realistic. You have the face on one side. This is the Lincoln Memorial on the other. We have, this is the, I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of glary, the nickel. And one thing I thought was really cool too is both the dime and the quarter have ridged edges, just like that, just like the normal ones. So you can kind of get a good feel, at least the kids can get a good feel of what they look like, what they feel like. Obviously the weight is different. The weight totally feels like just a play coin, but it's nice to be able to see kind of more realistically than other coins I've seen what they look like. So that's fun. The bills themselves, they're actually a nice thick paper. I don't feel like they're gonna rip or get ruined really easily. Of course they will crumple, they will tear if somebody is like trying to rip it, and they will definitely cut if you have scissors around. But they look reminiscent of real bills without being totally, totally counterfeit, I guess. But there's the 1, here's the 5 with Lincoln. There's that. And the 10. Obviously these don't even feel like bills, but it gives you a good idea of what the bills are. So if you have kids, so we homeschool, we are getting into money. Oh, drop the 20. Getting into money with my kindergartner. He'll be in 1st grade next year. And I think it's so great to have like physical money to count with and to kind of feel and play with, but I don't want to give them like actual bills because first of all, they're very germy and gross. And second of all, I don't want them losing like a bunch of money. So this is the perfect fit for us. Like I said before, we do have a little cash register that we'll stick these in and hopefully they don't get lost like our other batch did. But if you're looking into these, we highly recommend them. They work fantastic. It looks like it's gonna be a great fit for our needs. So hope this helps.